Once upon a time in the enchanting and authentic land of Turkey, where kitchens were the beating heart of homes and the aroma of spices danced in the air, a story of creating an eternal taste began. In that realm, flavors reigned supreme. Fiery peppers and mysterious nigella seeds were the constant guardians of bubbling pots. But one day, a skilled and tasteful chef, amidst this clamor of scent and color, sought to create a new magic. They wanted to reconcile two long-standing companions of Anatolian tables in a novel way: the cool white delicacy of yogurt alongside the deep smoky taste of eggplant. While the eggplants are grilling, finely chop the onions and garlic. As we mentioned, in Kozalak Mantı, the Phyllo dough is served shaped like a pine cone. You can also shape it into a cylinder if you prefer. For this traditional dish, make sure to easily peel the eggplants after grilling. This combination became the foundation for the birth of a masterpiece. However, in the rich culinary culture of Turkey, no feast was complete without the magnificent presence of meat. In that land, manti was a familiar name for spiced meat dishes that polished the soul. So, the chef of our tale generously released seasoned ground meat into the embrace of spices and the sharp aroma of garlic to marinate and come alive. The combination of the smoky flavor of eggplant with meat and phyllo dough will be one of the best and most delightful experiences for you. When all the components were ready, it was time for the artistry of hands. With great delicacy, the chef placed this heavenly combination amidst crispy dough and wrapped them so artfully that it seemed as if small, beautiful cones had emerged from the heart of pine forests. When this beautiful dish first sat upon the table, everyone was amazed to see its captivating conical form. In the sweet Turkish language, a cone was called kozalak. And so it was that by combining that specific shape with its authentic, meaty essence, the beautiful name Kozalak Mantı was bestowed upon this dish. Kozalak Mantı was not just a food, it was a luxurious invitation. It was a dish that breathed life into tables with its unique visual splendor, very quickly becoming the star of gatherings. It was a dish that kindly was prepared very fast and easily so as not to tire the host nor keep the guest waiting. From that day to this magical food captivates, sometimes as an appetizing starter, sometimes in the form of chic finger food for entertaining, and sometimes even as a regal main course, enchanting anyone who has once tasted that eggplant Borani and aromatic meat alongside the crispiness of its bread. I hope you enjoy it. It is extraordinary.